hi.
Hi.
Ano? Kaya natin mag-isip na.
Next week, mag-birthday also. Date natin
Guys, it's really cool, crazy cool. I'm gonna buy this, guys.
Hi, baby. Say hi. Hi. Sobrang lamig. And we are waiting for our car. Wala na siya sa mood. Antok na siya. Ito na. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes. Okay. It's super cold, right?
Yeah. Hi guys, very good.
Where are we?
Sabat.
Let's go. Say let's go. Say hi. Yeah. Guys, nag-self-checkout ako. Sobrang saya. Okay, let's go.
Meron ano, mga ganun.
Excuse me po. Sorry. This is our room. Zachary, say hi.
Hi.
Say welcome to my crib.
Come my kid.
Alam.
Do you like it?
Nakain muna ako, guys. Gutom na gutom ako. Ewan ko bakit. 1:55.
Kumelo ng dulo.
Then, nang hugasan ng aking anak. By the way, guys, umorder kami ng pocket wifi ko. Tapos, nasa Manila pa lang kami. Dumating na siya dito sa hotel. The best, diba?
Play with God.
Excited for the food?
Yummy.
Ramen.
For me, ala. What ganun?
It's hot. Oops, sorry. Sorry, mainit to pala. Umorder ako ng, bumili din ako ng kimchi. Share na muna tayo sa isa.
Saan dyan? Ah, dito? Ah, ito? Ay, kimchi, oh.
Sa kay kimchi.
Kala ko ito.
Sakari, can you put this inside the ref? Can you put this inside the ref?
Parang overload.
Okay.
Okay, go down. Wait. Okay.
Sige, maganda.
Ang sarap.
Maganda, agad-agad.
Oh, pamigay. I-blur na lang natin.
Sarap yung kimchi.
Sobrang sarap.
Oh yeah.
Siguro kasi gutom tayo.
Hindi, masarap talaga siya. Compared mo sa kimchi natin sa...
Yeah.
Pwede na iwi.
You judge. Okay, let's see. Oh, right, diba?
Yung ano?
Crunchy na masarap pa. Hindi siya yung
Hindi maanta?
maasim. Hindi siya yung ganun pa. Aura.
What's that?
Bigger one.
Really?
Yeah, over there.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at this.
Day 1.
There's
Naiwan ko yung watch ko. Babalikan ni Daddy kasi love niya ako. Okay, love you guys. See you later. Ang laki. Ha?
they go in.
You can go in.
Still have.
Can you get it? This one? Okay, go. Baby, say hi. Zachary. Say hi. Yan na yung Disney Sea. Tapos nandun na yung ganun. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, let's go. Guys, konti lang yung tao. Promise, konti lang. Kasi doon nag-start yung pila. Walang pila sa labas. Ito na yun. Grabe. You're done? Okay. Happy?
Let's see how this.
Guys, we're so fast.
Say hi. Lakad na. Baby, smile. Huwag siyang bad trip sa sabi. So, may... Are you ready for your popcorn? Close your eyes. Okay, ready? Get set. Ta-da! Oh, say thank you to Daddy. Okay, you wanna wear this? You wanna wear it?
Nakaka-popcorn na pala katapat. Popcorn lang malakas.
Okay, go. I'm gonna give
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, hold it. Baby, go.
Try. Good?
You like it? Uh-huh.
Good?
You want to wear it?
It's got good?
Is it good?
Palit ako sa ibon.
For the bird daw kasi.
Ito ba yung ibon susubuan mo? O hindi?
We will proudly present Disney Christmas Greeting. Celebrate the holidays with Mickey Mouse, his Disney pals, and Santa Claus as the jolliest Christmas songs bring fun to Puerto Paradiso.
Ang sakit
That's
ng
Disney Christmas
ulo
Greeting
ko.
beginning in
Sobrang lamig.
15
Kaya
minutes.
pumapasok sa ulo.
Thank you.
Tapos yung anak ko, sobrang nagtatadrums na siya kasi antok na siya. Ayun, natulog na siya. Come, Daddy. Come. Kanina, gutom pa siya. So, binigyan namin siya ng popcorn. Okay. Subusog na siya. Nag-attitude na naman siya. Antok lang naman pala. Tingnan niyo naman to. Anyways, kakain na kami. Dito.
Tinulog na lang. Tulog mag-isa.
Okay, let's go. Tulog pa rin yung anak namin. Oh, we got the goods. Ang dami pa ng steps. We're going to Frozen World. Let's go. Yay! Welcome Welcome to Frozen World. Actually, spring something ata to. Gising ni anak ko. Umiiyak na siya. Let's go. Frozen. Anak. Si Olaf tao na. Gising ka na. Joke lang. Ay, ang cute to.
Mommy will take a picture.
Let's go. Wala pa siya sa mood.
Baby guys, say hi. Hi. Do you wanna build the snowman?
Let's go.
Are you ready? Can you see it?
Ka dito. Wow. Pero, nilalamig ako.
Hindi naman malamig.
Pero tatlo yung layer. Guys, ang ganda ng changing pad nila. Oh, ang yabang. Pa-hospital bed na.
Change.
See? Ay, natulog. 1, 2, 3, smile. Jump.
Oh, hilo ko. Anak kinihili.
Update, nagwawala ni anak ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero inaantok na naman siya. So, babalik na muna kami ng hotel. Kasi antok na siya. Let's go. Hi guys! Sakali say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys! So,
Okay, you want bubble.
so today we went to
Little zombies.
we went to Disney Sea and then we went home. We were supposed to go
And then
back.
the
Pero natulog kami.
zombies.
Umuwi kami, tapos natulog. Tapos, nagkatamaran ng bumalik. Good thing, nakita naman dito sa hotel yung fireworks. Tapos,
Little zombies.
cutie. Yun lang. That ends our day 1. Say bye.
I do the battle zombies.